So welcome students. In this question you're given that these two lines represent two diameters of a circle and the area of the circle is 154 square units. If that is so, what is the equation of this circle? Again, if you have two diameters of the circle, the point of intersection of these two diameters has to be equal to the center of the circle. So if I find the point of intersection of these two lines, I get the center. So if I solve this, I get the radius. So pi r square is equal to 154. That means 22 by 7 r square is equal to 154. So 22 7s are 154. R square is equal to 49. R should be equal to 7 centimeters or 7 units. So the radius has been obtained from this information. So let us find the center from this information. So to find this, so let me multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2. And let me subtract one from the other. So 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. Minus 9y plus 8y is minus y is equal to 15 minus 14 is 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So if you put y is equal to minus 1 here, so x will be equal to 1. And the center of the circle is 1 minus 1. So once you got the center, you got the radius. The equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 49. So you can leave it here or you can expand this whole squares and get the answer. It is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 minus 49, that is minus 47 is equal to 0. Thank you.